MCAT courses are expensive, like really expensive. The MCAT has always been an exam that the more you could pay, the more likely you were to get a good score. At MCATalyst, we're trying to change that. We're launching a brand new self-paced course, starting with biochemistry, with other subjects to be released later, that gives you tried and trusted videos, notes that will tell you exactly how far in depth to go, 422 practice problems for biochemistry specifically, Anki decks, opportunities to teach the information back to me, and links to my other resources like my web app, just to make sure that you truly have all of the MCAT content mastered. You're getting as many different ways and resources to learn the information as possible for literally just $6 a month. And if you sign up for this course by the end of January, I'll give you a month free of the math and equations course that's coming out sometime in February. Finally, if you're in the fee assistance program, you can also apply for the course to be free. Check it out on my website. Feel free to contact me with any questions, but I can't wait for you to try out the course.